All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan, and this channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. Been trading for about 3 years now, and it is still a struggle, but I'm here. I'm streaming live every market open. You guys can see my entries, exits, all that good stuff. If that's your type of thing, and you want to join the journey, hit the like button and subscribe. Anyway, market is opening in 10 seconds. Oh, Lou, what's going on? My plan today is to, man, just take it slow. Take it slow and trade smart, man. Take it slow and trade smart. I think meta over 492 could be crazy. You looking at that, Olu? Um, yeah, there goes meta over 492. Man, 493. I wish I was brave and just took it. Hey, what's going on? Army V. Man, meta is going crazy. I should have just bought 10 shares over 492 or 5 shares. Man, crowd is getting destroyed. I think I can safely remove crowd.
UPS. SPOT.
UPS. Wow, huge gap down. What happened with UPS? I mean, ridiculous gap down.
GOOGL.
Okay, here comes Google.
UPMG.
Two.
DIS.
Hmm.
DHR.
Man, Nvidia's looking pretty good. Market's looking not pretty good. Yeah, market's looking bad. Google got slapped. Hmm.
SPOT.
Man, Meta went crazy in the first 2 minutes. DHR. Donner Corporation. What is that?
DHR.
DHR looked like a pretty good
NXPI.
5-minute breakout.
NXPI. DHR. PM. COIN.
Mm.
COIN.
Mm. Swap out coin for a crowd strike.
UPX. SPOT.
Spot falling out.
SPOT.
This might be the good dip to buy on spot. Hey, Danny Perkins,
COIN.
what's going on? Yeah, I see Nvidia, man. Nvidia looks very strong, but um, I just don't see a way in just yet. Man, coin is really strong too. Trading has been tough, man. I've like just completely lost my groove, it feels like.
COO.
Man, I really want to take this meta right here. The SPY is looking a little bit better, which is making me. I need to see some red candles though. I don't know. Yeah, trade has been tough. Um, I don't know. In hindsight, the mistakes are so clear, but in the moment, just keep making them. It feels like, and um, one of the biggest things I notice is just in at the open, like before
NXPI.
before even 10 minutes pass, I'll be in 3 or 4 positions, and I really haven't given the market a chance to show me its intentions yet. So think I was kind of shooting myself in the foot a lot. So I'm trying to be more patient. Um, Man, the market's going up, but Meta and Coin is going down now. Olu and Spot. Man, Nvidia is the only one that's just been pumping. What's going on, man? Amazon. Yeah, Amazon pumping too. Swap Amazon for Spot. Yeah, I appreciate it, bro. I've definitely been struggling with taking profits. Mm. Man, Amazon's going off. This was interesting with Google right here. This big top tail looked avoidable to me.
SPOT.
Just a bounce back for Spot. Google's pumping, man. I just don't like that big top tail on Google. It's gonna have to show me something. Hey, look at AMD over here. Huh. Dang. This is a nice looking setup too. Hmm. It's interesting.
PM.
Oh, look at MU. TSM had a really nice 5-minute candle. It's kind of wide though. It's looking pretty choppy. Dang, look at Microsoft. Oh my God. Dang.
UPS. DHR.
Golly. That's crazy. All right, Google will have to make a higher high and a higher low real pretty like for me to want to mess with Google. This would have been cool to buy right there though if you were really trying to mess with it. Right about there. Man, Microsoft went crazy. I didn't even look at Microsoft today. Tesla looks terrible.
KO.
Dang, boy. KO. Hey, look at KO over here. Huh.
GOLGL.
Wow. Yeah, Google done ran off. Google done ran off.
UPS. GE. CRWD. CMG.
Hey, what's going on,
NVIDIA
Wave
AI.
Rider? You on that NVIDIA wave? It's waving. What about Meta over here? Looks pretty bearish, actually. Big top tail, big red candle. Yeah, I don't think that's the one. Man, I can't believe Microsoft went
GE.
crazy like that.
DIS.
GE, not with that top tail though. Okay. DIS. Is this the reversal right here?
DHR.
Huh. 9130.
CMG.
That might be worth it. 9130 to 9080. It already broke.
CRWD. DHR. GE.
Google fell back in quite a bit. Hey, signature. Huh. Oh no, that don't look too good on the 5.
PM. CRWD.
NVIDIA back to VWAP. Ain't bad looking.
GE.
Man, Amazon is going.
CRWD. PM.
No, man.
CMG.
NVIDIA might be kind of cool.
UPS. LMG. DIS. UPS.
UPS. All right, Disney.
CMG.
Hmm.
COIN.
I'm liking Google over here. See how this 5 minute candle closes, but I don't know. That's a pretty big red candle here. But
CRWD. DHR.
Microsoft coming back in the VWAP. Dang, Google, slow down. We supposed to be waiting for the 5. We supposed to be waiting on the 5. Google, what's going on? Slow down. Oh man. Google need to chill out. Yeah,
GE.
one more pullback.
CRWD.
Ooh. Crowd strike with a little 15-minute hammer doji. Just broke a new high. Think we probably wait for a pullback on that though. Check out Microsoft over here. It's not really.
DHR.
Not really ideal.
GE.
Four, 7. That's it.
PNR. PNR.
Oh, that was a nice mover. That would have been nice to see a little while ago. Scanner. All right, what we doing with Google, man?
GE. CRWD.
Whoa. Um, okay. Yeah,
GE.
I mean, of all the things that are going up today, I'm starting to think Microsoft is looking really good right there. But that looks kind of nice. Still is a, I mean, it's a first, it's a higher low. There's no, it's a pretty smooth operator right there. I can get way more than that. All right, Google up here testing high of day. Meta looks like it might be curling up. The market looks pretty solid, honestly. Especially if we get back over these highs. 555.81.
UPS.
Man, look at the SPY.
BIDU. BK.
Yeah, no doubt, Pharaoh. No doubt. I like this Microsoft position, but not as much as I would have preferred to not have gotten into a fourth position.
MS.
But yeah, my hands are full for sure. Why they all gotta be red? I should have added on the two. Wow, even the two swelled up on me.
NXPI.
Dang, Disney. I guess I needed to add on the one. Dang, stopped out on NVIDIA. Yeah, that wasn't a very nice price structure. Oh, man.
JNJ.
Bruh. I don't know. And they all going away. Dang. I know, Trey. Said I wasn't gonna do it.
C.
I was close to not doing it though.
GE.
I got some leftover levels. No, I got here kind of late this morning, but oh really? Is that why everything's turning? Although the SPY is looking pretty decent. BX. Man, what happened with Microsoft? Yeah.
TNR.
Man, come on now. Spy pumping up. My position's lagging like a mug.
MX. BHP.
Man, I liked DHR. Oh, now though, let me check it out now. Uh, it definitely had to be back over 270. Um, I mean, you could even take the break of 270, but yeah, I don't know. You might buy the break of this 5 minute candle if you felt good about it going up. Um, yeah, I mean, yeah, I would say over 270 over the last 15. Okay, 269.92, so about 270. Yeah, that makes sense.
AMZN.
Amazon going to make a new high. Why am I even trading Disney? Of all the things that were going up today. Yeah, no problem. Man, I really want to be back in Microsoft. I knew that the amount that it moved up and the way it pulled back that it would need more. I just it's a trip how much I disregard my instinct, like my mind. If Disney goes up from here, be a really nice buy.
AMZN. GE. GE.
Man, I think Microsoft about to go crazy without me. Sad story.
PM.
Oh, Spot. I gave up on Spot. Yeah, Spot looks terrible. The gap was just too big. Wow, GE is nice. Yeah, GE
GE.
turned out really nice. Yeah, Nvidia looks pretty crappy. And Google looks like it's going to
LODI.
stop me. Five R on GE. Nice.
COIN.
And I really want to try Microsoft over
AOS.
this 15-minute. I don't know what to expect out of Google.
PM.
Coin, really? Thought coin was, oh, okay. Coin back to the top of the range, I see. Nice daily, too. Mm. Yeah, it's got some slaps up here, though. 267.73, 267.70. All right, Disney.
AMZN.
Man, yeah, Amazon went crazy today. From 84 to 88. That's pretty nice.
MS. MS.
Come on, Google, you can do it.
CRM. CII.
Man, hey, I'm trying, man. I'm trying. What was with NVIDIA? NVIDIA was a choppy mess. Yeah, if I can't buy the first green, I gotta wait for the red for real.
COIN.
For real. But they could have just not played me like that and let me stay in the trades. Man, I really want to take this Microsoft trade right here so badly, y'all.
AMZN.
Like, this is going to be the moment right here. Look at it. Nice 15-minute trigger. Nice little wedge. I ain't going to do it, though. I ain't going to do it. Meta back over VWAP. And Disney with the pullback again.
DIS.
Uh-huh.
HCA.
Come on, Disney. Was I that reckless? Man. Google looks so choppy though. Even on the, it's so choppy. 183.33. If Google could make it over the highs and actually just create some nice price action, that would be cool. Or just go straight up, that's fine too. Oh yeah, Disney is. Man. Yeah, Disney's been going through it. Hopefully we can work something out today though. That's what I want to see right there. Let's get a new high. 91.69, previous high of day. Do. Wrong scenes. Yeah. All right, Google flirting with the high of day for a moment here. 83.26 versus 83.33. Disney with the pullback once more, just to keep things exciting. Dang, that would have been a disappointing trigger to the 15 to buy and go way down there again. Is it? Man, yeah, it is. Sheesh. I had coin up this morning, and then I saw this price action, and I was like, nah. She looking strong now, though. Disney.
CBS.
Yeah, we might be making our way out of Disney here. Man, I want to buy Microsoft. I want a Microsoft over 446. I should have stopped myself out of this at break even so I could hop into Microsoft because I just don't really believe in this one anymore. And I'd much rather be in Microsoft. I like what Meta's doing too. I think Meta looks nice. Hey, we got a new high of the day on Google by 1 penny. See if that holds.
BHP. BX.
BX. Was that you, Olu, that mentioned BX earlier? Man, still looking good. Yeah, BX looks nice.
PII.
Blackstone. One penny bugs. Where my bugs at? There we go.
BX.
BLK. Look at this chart, man. It looks terrible.
SHW.
Oh, okay, I got you. Blackstone, BlackRock. Hey, Meta man, Meta's looking like a snack over there. Meta's looking like a snack right in here. That hourly and that 15 though looking pretty nasty. Right, I got you. No worries. Oh, Google. Guess you're not going anywhere. Well, you did make a higher high though. So maybe you won't make a higher low and we'll be cool.
BHP. PNR.
All right, Microsoft looking way better now. Microsoft and Meta. Looking snackish.
CII.
Dang, back on down, huh, Disney? Back on down. Oh, down to 15. Stop is at 10.
SHW.
Man, Meta and Microsoft
CCAR.
right now, though. Dang, Disney. Yeah.
CLIN.
Man, short list of failures. uh, 95, 68. 37 shares.
GE. AMZN.
Man, Amazon's still going. There goes Meta, man. Dang, bruh. I really want Meta. Meta over 492, man. Stop under 491. But, I mean, all my picks have been absolute garbage this morning, so
MU.
oh, is it lower? I don't know. I don't think I've done anything to change it. Dang,
SAP.
Google is finished. End of my day. Short entry? I don't know, man. It just made a new high.
GE.
Well, hmm. Disney, I could say it's clearly downtrending, so probably shouldn't have traded that. Google, Google is like my arch nemesis. It's very choppy. It's been choppy since the open. Shouldn't have traded that. Nvidia also looked pretty choppy today. And yeah, Microsoft just missed a move and Hope was hoping for a bounce. Yeah, so my trades just pretty much suck today. Um, I don't
BHP.
know. Disney might end up working out, and I probably just added myself out of there. Um, I didn't want to have my stop higher than the previous low, but my ad made me need to raise my stop higher. So Disney might actually work out and just be a trade that I mismanaged. Hey, Deco Mexico. I'm doing well, man. I'm doing well. A little disappointed in the day. But all in all, I'm doing well. Yeah, I think I added myself out of Disney. Well, I guess we'll see what it does for the rest of the day. Market mover list. Okay. Check it out. See. Well, I'm glad I didn't hop into Meta or Microsoft that I was feeling so sure about. Hmm. I mean, I think there would have been days with that setup. Those setups would have worked. It's just that the Market's a bit sick. How are you doing, Deco Mexico? Appreciate you stopping by. So did I just trade a bunch of crap this morning? Is that what happened? How was Disney my first trade? Yeah, this looks pretty crappy. Actually looks like a 15-minute. Okay, that's not too bad. Glad to hear it, my friend. Yeah, I just, you know, I guess you see something drop this hard.
J&J.
It's not absurd to
CVS.
expect a reversal, but it's definitely not something that I would say is in my playbook, and I have some sort of criteria outside of just looking at the price action. So I can say I probably should have stayed out of Disney. Um, I think I'm going to put Google on my do not trade list because Google has definitely become an arch nemesis for me. Yeah, this just was very choppy. Even on the 5, it was choppy. And on the 15, it's just a sidewalk, barcode. The parks are not green. Yeah. Yeah, man, Amazon was so good. Yeah, Amazon was so good. Really good 5-minute ORB. Uh, if only. But look, Disney might survive, man. My only issue on Disney was buying more shares up here at the top of the range. Like I had a perfect ad down here. Perfect ad down here. And my stop was tucked nicely under the lows. And then I decided I wanted a few more shares as it was heading up, thinking, okay, it's going to keep going up and I'm just going to have more shares and it's going to be great. And then it pulls back. And now my stop is up here in the price action above the previous low and comes down, tags me out. And now it's bouncing back up again. But I mean, I don't know what it's going to end up doing for the day, but either way, to get stopped out on a higher low, I'd say is bad trade management. Um, yeah, this is some nasty price action. I can't.
BA.
I don't know how I could have justified justified trading this. Nvidia too, man. This looks terrible. Microsoft too. Only thing good that looks good about this chart is the fact that it moved up big, and so you're thinking there's something going on with it, but that was it. UPS, they had a what, gap down today? Yeah, wow. United Parcel Service getting thrashed. That sucks. It's been downtrending for a long time though. Like it's been under the 200 EMA. Well, I guess since August. Really? That's terrible. They're gonna get bought out by FedEx. Look at that. FedEx is trending up. FedEx trending up. Pretty nicely, I might add. Well, I didn't hit my max loss today. I hit my mental max loss, which was 3R by jumping into this Microsoft trade. Yeah, total wipeout, dude. Hmm. I feel things coming together, but it's just like it's so many things that gotta come together. It's like, okay, this morning I'm patient, but
GE.
I'm not dialed in on the price action. Or this morning I really feel good about managing my risk today. Yeah, it's just I definitely think the work that I am need to do and not doing outside could help a lot. Um, it's been a minute. You know, when you first start trading, you're super obsessed with the charts and you're like living on the charts. Like every free moment you have to look at a screen, you're looking at a chart and or watching a YouTube video. And I spend a little time. I do my review video, which is me spending some time with my trades and talking through them, taking some notes, and I export them to Trader Sync. But I do feel like I'm not really spending that in depth time to organize my thoughts and organize my trades and figure out, what I'm really doing wrong because I'm definitely doing something consistent. Like if I tried to
HCA.
if I tried to lose 4R every day, would I be able to do it? Uh yeah, maybe we just back in the market had a nice little run and now we're back in really difficult territory.
MS.
Oh yeah.
BA.
So you're not so mad about the losses anymore, huh? That's cool. BA's having itself a little choppy grind up today. Yeah, indeed. Indeed.
CII.
Yeah. And what was I looking at? I gotta find AMZ. Okay, there you go.
PK.
Ain't no telling. Yeah. I got so many trades I still need to tag up. So many.
GE.
Yeah. Market's just dead now. Except for what's not dead, like GE. Man. You still in GE signature? That thing's going crazy. Yeah, yeah, you can still just be moving up on the 15s and just be raking it in. Yeah, bro. You gotta be up here underneath this last one now. That's crazy. Yeah, still be in Disney. Nice. Man, I haven't had a feel good day like that in a minute. It's just been all destruction. Bro, why you stop out on Disney? Nice. Yeah, Signature's killing it right now, man. Ah. Man, 3R in 2 minutes on one trade. It's brutal.
JNJ.
Hmm.
AMZN.
What you gonna short spot? Or you think the market's gonna
BX.
bounce right here? I don't know what you could do with spot besides short it. Amazon's bouncing back up. Oh, man.
THM. PII.
Yeah. Um, yeah, I see that.
THM. COIN. PII. BK. BX.
Man, 5.5 R. That's what's up, signature. Um, hmm, a little YOLO and Ben. A little YOLO.
BA.
Greyhound don't float in water. Greyhound don't float in water. What does that mean? Greyhound don't float in water.
BA.
Okay.
MS. GE. BA. BA. CARR. THM.
Yeah, I'd still be in Disney right now if I didn't do that.
AMZN.
Nah, I get it. That makes a lot of sense
GE.
pertaining to my situation.
BX.
Man, when I added up here, this ad was great, but when I added up here, when I recalculated my stop, I couldn't keep it below this previous low. So I ended up having to raise it up into the price action basically, and it pulled back to VWAP, made a nice hammer doji, and kept going up. And so this ad up here basically ruined my trade because I had to raise it up into the price action. I always like to keep my stop below the last low, the last swing low, so that as long as it doesn't make a lower low, which is the first sign of a downtrend, I shouldn't get stopped out of the trade. But this adding up here at the top of the range messed it up and made me have to raise my stop up above this low. So, I mean, I still don't know if it's going to be a successful trade, but I'm just saying I wouldn't be stopped out yet. But in other news, Microsoft is doing pretty well. So, I got to send some money back to my broker. I'm at that point. This is like I'm trading with my last little funds in my account before I have to send some money over. And so it's kind of been like a little game to see if I can just make some money instead of having to send some over before, I hit that point. And so yeah, I'm like, all right, I set my max loss today at 50 and I got $7 left in my risk. And hey, I can either try to make some back and trade another day, or swing for the fences and have to send some money over anyway. So saw the market was bouncing. I saw a few hammer candles, and I was looking at Meta. I was looking at Nvidia, and I thought Microsoft was the best one because it was the only one that was over VWAP at the time. So I chose Microsoft, even though Meta's curling up quite nicely. And but I think Microsoft has some a nice range that it moves, where I could capture a few R off of 10 shares. Set up a GoFundMe.
COIN.
Hey, I got the super chats now. Super chats and super stickers. Thanks to you guys pushing me over 500 subscribers. What? I think it's only been like, I think I started in March. So 4 months. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right. Microsoft's looking pretty decent right now.
BA. BA.
BA. BA. Wow, look at BA. My God. Man, that thing opened at 179. It's up at 183. That's nice. That's really nice. Well, Meta made its way back up to VWAP. Look like Nvidia might be cool too. But I think it looks the weakest out of all of them. Even Google's bouncing up.
MS. BII.
All right, we got 1 R on Microsoft.
CARR. BA.
$1 in the money. We made it. Dang, there goes Disney. Man, you could have really just waited for this first red 15-minute candle and then bought the high. What's up, Trey? You missed my little story. Yep, Nvidia, Meta, they were all great buys. Oh man, that's gonna hurt my heart on Disney, man. Hurt my heart on Disney.
SE. BA.
Yeah, I gotta send some money over to the broker anyway, so I thought I'd use my last little $7. My max risk right now on my broker's 50, so I thought I'd use my last little $7 to see if I could you know, do a little something. Look at that, man. That sucks. But anyway, we got Microsoft over here. High of day is 447.80. We are at 447.49. Man, Meta's going crazy. I didn't know which one was the right one to pick. Meta's up $3 so far, so I'd say Meta was probably the one to pick.
AMZN.
But Microsoft's doing good.
NET.
Look at the market. Market's looking good.
BA.
No, I mean I pretty much I did by taking that fourth trade, which I regret. Dang, Nvidia too. And Google's popping. But you know what? I got Microsoft. And that's fine. Because Microsoft is up about 2R now. Look at that. $2 move almost on Microsoft.
PHM. BSX. BA.
Well, what you think? Microsoft to 450?
BA.
Bruh. Meta and Nvidia right now. Any kind of pullback.
BSX.
Look at that, man. We got 2R on Microsoft. We in the game. All right. Still going up. Still no pullback on Nvidia or Meta or Microsoft either. So that's cool. Yeah, man. Finally caught a breakout here. It's a pretty nice setup, though. There were two other really nice setups, too. I thought this one was the best. I think Meta turned out to be the best
BA.
so far.
PNR.
All right, so Microsoft just made a high of day. Now, I think it would look better for it to keep going up and then come back and pull back to this previous high rather than stall out right here and pull back now. What's up, Ghost Trader? I had crowd up this morning, but it had a tough open and I didn't pay it any more mind, but I see. Man, this would have been a really nice play right here. I like that chart a lot.
BA.
That 15-minute on crowd. Yeah, come on. Keep going, Microsoft. Get you a new high in there. Shoot, 450 sound good to me. All right, Meta's pulling back. Nvidia had a red candle for a second. High is 448.39. Hmm.
COIN. BA.
Hmm. Look at Google over there showing out. After stopping me out.
PII.
PII. That looks pretty decent. Trenches Trader. Oh man. Yeah, Nvidia made a nice move up at the open, and I tried to buy the breakout at the top. Foolishly.
CRWD.
Or when I became a breakout trader. Don't like it.
HD.
Man, I haven't even looked at Apple today. Oh man. Dang, why weren't we talking about Apple?
BK.
Pretty easy looking trade on the 15.
PII.
Tuition going down, yeah. To think that this stuff could pay me one day. It could happen, right? All right, let me take a quick restroom break, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you have not. Meantime, keep an eye on my Microsoft position, por favor.
BA.
All right. Yeah, I'm kind of been looking at Nvidia. Wondering if it's gonna make its way back down to VWAP after that nice move up it just made.
THM.
Man, meta is strong. This might be all the pullback you get on Nvidia.
MS. THM.
MS Morgan Stanley.
BK. PII. GE. SAP. MS. NET.
Man, Meta was
PNR.
definitely the one. Meta was definitely the one. And Disney was not. Would have stopped out on Disney right there for sure. So just didn't work out.
BX. MS. SAT. Z. THM. MCHP.
And the SPY is pulling back some more. I want to survive a pullback on Microsoft because I think Microsoft has a lot of room to run. And if that thing can pull back, have a nice
MCHP.
little consolidation pullback or whatever, and then make new highs from there, I think we could really get to the bag on this one today. So we'll see if it holds up. If it doesn't hold up, then it doesn't hold up.
GTLB.
But stop pretty much at break even on Microsoft. So man, I really want this Nvidia trade to pop back up.
GE. BX.
Go GE for another one.
MCHP.
It's okay. We had to pull back to VWAP price then. Man, Meta was definitely the one though. That's crazy.
BA.
I wish I'd have paid attention to that. But I guess Nvidia seemed to present the best buying opportunity because Meta was still up pretty high. Well, it might be a wrap.
MCHP. BA.
It's a dumb purchase. Yeah, I actually entered this on the 2, and I really didn't mean to enter on the 2.
BA. BK. MS.
Well, Nvidia made its way on down to VWAP, which is why I sized up pretty wide when I entered because I felt like it could still trade back down to VWAP. So hopefully, I know signature. I know green number, man.
GE.
Thanks, trenches. See if it works out though. Uh,
TNR.
33 cent. 24. 23.70. Oh man. It's time to exit.
MCHP. BA.
My bad.
PII. THM.
Dang, man. Guess I should have taken that Microsoft trade out at the top. I started to, man, just to lock in a win.
MS. PII.
Guess it didn't matter which one you picked out of Nvidia or Meta because they both came falling.
BX.
Yeah, I really hope that Joker just hold 447, man, and we can go on back up. There's no need to retrace all the way back down here. Tesla over 250.
MCHP.
Think so. Yeah, I mean, I think Nvidia and Meta are looking better now. Man, I like that hourly. Man, it's beneath yesterday's close though. Man, it made a lower low. I guess not low a day, but yeah, I could see it. Especially if the market bounces right here. That's kind of what I think needs to happen more than anything is the market needs to bounce.
MS.
Yeah, it does. You show right. You show right, Marcel. I think Nvidia looks that way now too, and it's at VWAP. Amazon kind of did a little soft double top right there. I don't know, man.
NET.
Hmm. Bruh, Trey, I was so close to taking that, bro. I was so close to taking it. You don't even know, bro. But I chose Nvidia because it was closer to VWAP. But nah, I saw that, bro. I thought that was a brilliant place to buy.
MCHP.
Everything's crashing out. Yeah, I know, right? I saw that too, Jack. It did not go anywhere. But I don't know. I feel silly for trading it at all. I don't do big reversals like that.
PNR.
So, yeah, I believe it, Trey.
MCHP.
Man, I just need Microsoft to bounce from right here and everything will be straight. I saw the same thing on Google too, Trey, and Nvidia. I was looking at all of those dips.
NFLX. PHM. PWLO. BA.
Yeah, I mean, if it breaks back over
W.
VWAP, dang, Meta went back quick.
PII.
Dang, getting wrecked. Sheesh.
THM. BX. GE. Z.
Yeah, I don't know, man. What's taking so long for buyers to step up on Nvidia? Nvidia looking kind of weak, man. If it starts trading below yesterday's close, I'm really lost hope on it. Yeah, it's looking like Nvidia might be done for right now. Or maybe back down to 123.
PII.
Oh yeah. Yeah, BAA went crazy. $66.
MX.
45.88. Huh. Just a good way to erase the gains,
PII.
man. Dang, Meta.
BK. PCAR. BX. PNR. W. BA. THM.
Nasty. Oh man, I feel like I need to go back to the demo account at this point, man. I guess I could have taken my Microsoft trade, obviously, up there. Yeah, I mean, clearly this would have been a great place to sell. Clearly.
GE. W.
Yeah, MetaTrade, I should have waited for a higher time frame. Adding on that too was ridiculous. That was ridiculous. Trying to get a lowest entry as possible.
SE.
Jumping in meta like that, ridiculous. Yeah. Just a lot of trades that I could have not had.
JPM. SE. TWLO. BX. BDII. WENR.
526.28. Hmm.
WCAR.
Another trade, didn't take any profits on.
GED.
I want. Man, I don't know, man. Feeling like back to the drawing board.
SE.
I don't know. I feel like it's clear what to do. I'm not doing it for some reason. I'm just not. I'm not able to do it. I'm not able to look at this in real time and say this is too choppy to trade. Let's stay away from that. And look at Disney and say, you know what? This is clearly a downtrending stock with a lot of sell pressure and a gap down. Why are you trading this to the long side? Let's not do that. And then Nvidia, this is also very choppy. Let's wait for the price action to shake out and pick a direction like it did down here. And then we got a double bottom, you know, could buy that maybe. Definitely not up here, just floating in the air.
PII.
Microsoft. Microsoft, I mean,
EHM.
structurally it doesn't look like a bad trade, but I just feel like I know
GTLB.
better. Like I've seen these types of moves and I know it's not just gonna bounce and make a sharp V all the way back up. Like it's usually gonna have to consolidate or trade below VWAP a little bit, you know. Yeah, I tried to ride Nvidia, man. I couldn't time it right, man. I couldn't time it right. Yeah, it adds up, man. And that's how I feel too, man. I'm just like I'm always waiting for the bigger move. And you know what? I probably would have gotten it on Microsoft if I could have just been patient and waited for the right time to add. Which, I mean, guess I can't be too mad at myself for this ad, but it definitely ruined the trade because now it looks like it just came back to VWAP and the SPY is about to bounce and all that stuff. Hmm. Man. Shoot. Might be might be paper trading on on Trading View tomorrow or Webull.
NET.
Man, if you could just wait for those really prime times to buy, like Amazon right now looks prime. Meta looks much more prime. Microsoft looks like it's priming itself. Yeah, that Meta 5, man, it could have been so simple. And I just like, bro, I shouldn't have even traded. I entered on the 2 minute chart. Like, when do I do that? If I wanted to enter here, I would have been waiting for the first one to make a low. And here it is right here, man. Perfect entry. Bang, right there. Stop under the low. That's the one right there. That's the one. Where at least if I got stopped out right here, I'd be like, hey, man, that was a good entry. Bruh, something got to give, though, because Cause this ain't it. There's no way I should be trading this many tickers. Yeah. It's just like I should have accidentally gotten a good trade by now. uh,
GE.
yeah, I gotta wait for that killer entry though. I've been hearing you, Trey. I've been hearing you. Especially these nice waves where you gotta move with all one color. And then it gets to a level, changes colors, gets narrow range. Yeah, Meta, Amazon, Google, Nvidia, Microsoft, they all look like they're about to move up. Dang, man, I could have got at least 1 R off of Microsoft. Like, that don't even make no sense. Man. All right, y'all. I'll get down and lick my wounds. Bruh, like 2 weeks ago, I felt so close to the dream. Like, only thing left is the money. Like, I just need a couple weeks to win some trades, and then I'll be there. But nope. I'm gonna figure it out though. But as for today, that is a wrap. Anyway, you guys stay safe out there in the market. Hit that like button for me and subscribe, and look out for my review video. Talk about where we go from here. Anyway, peace out.